Have you been struggling with fixing your trouser pockets? Well, this is a good news video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to fix trouser pockets in my own easy way. So if you're just in this channel for the first time, I'm saying a very big welcome. And to my returning subscribers, welcome and welcome once again. Today I'm going to be showing you how to fix a trouser pocket. So do well to pay attention and get value from this video. Just get two fabric, or just fold in two, then fold again in four. So get your fabric, fold in two and fold again into four, like this. Then you're going to measure your width, how big you want your pocket to be. So for me, I chose 8 inches. That's what I chose for mine. Then for the length, I chose 11.5 inches. You can do you as big. Sometimes I go smaller, sometimes I go bigger, depending on the client and their need for pockets. Because the truth is, I still don't get the hype about pockets in clothes. I'm that designer that doesn't understand the hype. So now to get this is where I'm going to be attaching the pockets. This is the crotch depth. This part is the crotch depth. Then the other side, which is tilting towards the waistline, that's where, sorry, to the sides, that is tilting towards the side seam. Yeah, that's where I'm going to be joining the pocket. It's going to be by the side. So what you're going to do is that you have to unravel it again into two. You know, before it was into two, you folded into four. Now you have to spread it into two. Then one side of it, you're not going to see, please don't make the mistake of doing this, cutting it like this. Please don't make that mistake, because it means you're going to be cutting both sides. I don't know if you understand what I'm saying. So when you want to get this front part, I'm going to see if I can show you a picture of the kind of pockets, because there are different kinds of pockets. There's one you put inside, that it's not going to show that there's a pocket there when you look at it by the side. But this one, once you see it, you know that there's a pocket. It's more like trouser pockets. Just picture jean pockets. So you're going to cut this part by on only one of the sides. For this part, I just went in by 1 inch. That was what I did. It was actually normal, like normal cutting. I just went in by 1 inch. I marked it, then I used my ruler to do this. Then that was how I got the pocket curve. So you're also going to apply the pocket curve on the pockets, but it's only going to be on one side. So that was why I came out like this. So this part was like this part originally, but because I needed to put the pocket curve, I had to cut it out. Only one part, guys, only one part. So it's going to be giving you the front part of the pocket, which is here, and the back part of the pocket. For extra balance, I also like to contour the back part of the pocket, just for extra balance. I don't think it's really compulsory, but I always just like to do that. So you can see it's fitting well to the side seam of the back trouser. So now I'm going to show you how to join it. Please, if you don't get what I've said so far with this video, don't feel bad. I may do another video with another outfit showing you how to fix it. For people who already understand the cutting, then let's go into sewing. So what you're going to do now is that you're going to get one part of it. This is the front part of the fabric and this is the back part. I always chalk it. This is the back part and this is the front part. That's the right side and this is the wrong side. Now you're going to get a pocket that aligns with the wrong side. This is the wrong side. So you're going to place right side facing right side. That means the wrong side is going to be up. The back part of the pocket will be up, the wrong side of the pocket. So right side of the pocket facing right side of the front trouser. So we're just going to sew it. I'm also going to be doing that for the other part. You can see already that this is the wrong part of the either the left or the right side of the trouser, the other part of the front trouser. Then I'm going to place it again, the pocket on its right side of the pocket facing right side of the trouser panel. Then we're going to sew it again with 1/2 inch. Now we're going to do this. We're just going to trim. It's necessary that you notch it so that it's going to relax. You can just go ahead to press this like this. You can just go ahead to press it like this. But if you want to add extra beauty or extra details, you can just stop stitch on it closely and let it be uniform. Yes, we have that one right there. Now let's do it for the second part of the trouser as well. because of this video, I'm going to focus on one so that you're going to get everything I'm saying for that one. So now this is what this part is looking like, the pocket part. Now what you're going to do is you're going to fold the pocket into two, the way it was before, half. I've already notched this part to let me know that this is the center of the pocket. So I'm just going to fold it like this. I hope you can see it. I'm going to fold it like this. I'm going to ensure that it's on a good fold. Can you see it? Look at the center. So it's well balanced now. The next thing I'm going to do is to close this seam, the down parts. Just going to close that down. A straight stitch is enough. We are going to get the back part of the trouser. This is where the beautiful magic begins. This is my own hack. To me, it makes sewing trouser pockets less complicated, because I never used to like sewing pockets. I never used to like it. I remember at the beginning of the video, I said I don't understand the hype with fixing pockets in clothes. So I never used to like it. But this particular hack has made sewing trouser pockets enjoyable. It's in the right side. You can go ahead to pin this place down. This part of the trouser and the pockets, just pin it down so that it's going to be secure. Pin that place down. Then you can also pin this part down as well. If you don't want to pin, or if you don't have pins, you can stitch. You can just make a short stitch. But for me, I like saving time, so pin works. So now just fix the trouser, right side facing the right side. Can you see the pocket looks here? Good. So let's just arrange this very well. Then check if it aligns with the down part, so that your trouser length won't be short. Okay, it aligns now. Let's go up. So let's sew. You're going to use 1/2 inch down. It was 1/2 inch I used for my allowance. I kept for the allowance. So if you put like 1 inch, that means you're going to sew 1 inch down. I used 1/2 inch for mine. So now we're going to open it. So this is what our pocket is looking like right now. Can you see it? This is what it's looking like. So just going to remove this pin. Then you can as well just put this up. So can you see? Hope you've been able to get value from this video. So this is how you fix your trouser pockets in a very easy little step way. This is it. It's laying well flat, well placed, and there you have it. Thank you so much, guys, for watching my video. Do well to stay happy, positive, keep designing, and keep being stylish. And until next time, bye.